Hello my YouTube fans. So I am here with a new video, and in this video I will be tearing down a very old Samsung laptop, and you can see the model number and details from the screen. So this laptop has been released in the year 2012 or 2013, I mean between 12 to 13. So I dropped this laptop accidentally, and the hinges are not proper. It looks like it is broken because you can see if I'm closing it, then again I need to press it. So something is broken inside, and we will start the process of teardown. We will quickly remove the battery and start the teardown process. I will make this process fast forward to save the time. So here come the back cover. So this back cover is not the complete chassis. It's only giving you the access to the hard disk drive or SSD or the RAM installed in the laptop. So you can access those things from after removing this panel. We will proceed further. So I'm opening other screws. Let me make this fast forward to save the time. So guys, I have removed all the screw from the back chassis, and for removing the back chassis I need to take out the hard disk drive first. So I am pulling the cable gently, and here we go. It came out. So it's of 500 GB, and I will keep this apart. So this is the cable which I have pulled from the hard disk, and that's the RAM. So I'm taking out the first RAM, and this RAM is of 2 GB, and another one is of 4 GB. So all total 6 GB of RAM installed in this laptop. And let me keep this apart. So now time to remove the chassis. Everything has been removed, like hard disk and RAM, and all the screws has been removed. Let's remove the chassis. So here I will use a tool, a plastic tool, to open up this chassis. So guys, I feel light is a bit low. I have turned on another light, and now we will proceed further. Okay, so here we go. I'm taking out the CD DVD drive. So this is the CD DVD drive. So all the old model of laptops are having CD DVD drive, and there are a lot of dusts which I am cleaning simultaneously. And let's proceed further. Need to take out the chassis. Okay, there are a few more screws remaining on the top side, I mean the battery part side. So here we go. Let me make this fast forward to save the time. So guys, I am using this plastic tool to open up the chassis, to detach the chassis from the upper body. And since it was not opened previously, so I feel like it is too much intact with the pins or the clips, because they are putting a little amount of glue in the old laptops. So that's why I'm facing difficulty, and the chassis is also not so solid build. The build quality is not so good. So I'm afraid if I will break the bottom chassis. That's why I'm being very careful while opening it up. And let me make this fast forward again to save the time. So finally it came out. So I was trying to take it out from last 10 to 15 minutes, I guess, since it was completely brand new and glued. It was glued up with pins and connectors. That's why it was a bit difficult for me to take it out. And here you can see the internal view of the motherboard. So motherboard is the you can see the green color board on the top of which the heatsink and the fan, the hard disk drive space, the Wi-Fi module, the RAM space. You can see all those things. Let me clean it up a bit because there are lots of dust particles, and inside exhaust fan also I can see lots of dust particles. I'm cleaning it gently. However, this much big brush is not required here. You can use a small brush or the soft brush as well. So the brush I am using is very soft. It looks like it's a big brush, but it is soft. So it is safe to use this brush at this point of time. Okay guys, so now time to check the hinge for which I have opened this laptop. So I have not removed the screen panel, and I am trying to check why it is not stable, or it is behaving weirdly. I can see all the screws are intact on the hinge part. So you can see on the corner something is not good internally. Some screws or something is broken. So you can see it is not properly fixed. You can see it's moving. It should not move in that manner. So let me open up this screw. This screw used to intact the left hand side hinge. So in all the hinge parts you will be seeing like which is the left hinge, which is the right hinge. It will be written on the hinge part. So here I am taking off the screw of another hinge, that is the right side hinge. So I have taken off the screws of both the hinges, left and right, and further I will check what's the exact issue and why it is not working as expected. But before moving further, we need to detach this cable, and this is the LCD panel cable. So I need to be very careful while detaching this from the motherboard. It is detached now. So there are very thin, delicate cables inside this. It looks like it is a single cable, but there are around 32 or more than that cables connected to that connector. So here I am derouting that cable, and I have twisted the hinge upward so that I can take out the chassis. So I'm doing the same with the right hand side hinge. So actually, if you will open this laptop in a proper manner, so this will be the right side hinge, and the hinge which is on the right side for now will be the left side hinge. That's why I'm saying in that manner. So there are few more cables and screw which I have noticed I need to remove it first, and here we go. This is the cable which is going to the LCD panel. Another black cable is going to this part of the lower part of the chassis, and this white cable is going directly to the LCD panel. So these are the antenna cable with which the Wi-Fi is getting captured. Wi-Fi, because this is the Wi-Fi module. I think this is integrated module. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are there. But whatever, for now I am just detaching the cable, and screen I have kept it apart. And here we go. So you can see here this part is completely broken. So I will tell you one thing, guys. So I have searched for this laptop chassis, since this is very old laptop. So I'm not getting this chassis online. So that's why I tried to open it up and thought for fixing it by myself. But the things look like it is completely broken. Let me see what I can do. So guys, first of all I will take out the motherboard so that I can work on the chassis properly. So there are few more screws left on the motherboard. Here it is, another one. So there are few more cables, if you can see, observe on the motherboard. So I have taken out 3 screws as of now. I guess that's it. No more screws.
So I'm just checking if there is any screws left behind. So I'm not lifting it at once. I'm just checking like if something is still attached with the chassis. So you need to be very careful while taking out the motherboard. See, one more screw was remaining, which I noticed when I was lifting the motherboard. And that is why I am telling every time you need to be very careful while working with delicate PCBs and the motherboard. So I feel like, okay, this cable is connected, and this is the power button cable. Another cable is still connected, which is for the USB ports, and this is the SATA cable. And the last but not the least is the touchpad cable. Touchpad means the mouse pad I'm talking about. So here another mechanism to detach this. Just I pulled out the small plastic, then pulled out the cable. And this one is again the keyboard cable. And that's it. And motherboard is in my hands. So let me clean it up. Just a gentle rub from this huge brush. So you can see the dust particle as soon as I'm cleaning this motherboard. You can see the actual color of the motherboard, and you can understand how much dust particle is there on the motherboard. Anyway guys, so after cleaning this motherboard, I will be working directly on the chassis to fix the portion which is broken, where the hinges are getting fixed. So you might have remember I have shown you in the beginning of the video that hinges are not properly aligned. The place where the hinges are getting fixed is not proper, so I need to repair that. And this is the motherboard. You can see the CMOS battery right beside my hand where I'm holding the motherboard, and these are the tactile switch for the left and right click of the touchpad. So let me keep the motherboard apart. Yeah, let me show you switch once again. So these are the same switches which I have reviewed in one of my video, tactile switch video. So this is the video which I'm talking about. You can just go to my channel and search for tactile switch video and watch it if you want. And here we start our repairing work. So let's observe the portion which is broken. So guys, this is the portion which got damaged, and this is the metallic part which came out from that plastic molding. So actually this is the portion where we are fixing the screws to hold the hinges tightly. So if this part is broken, it means you cannot able to fix the hinges. So I will be fixing in this manner, and here I will be using M-Seal. So I will show you what it is. I will show you how I am fixing it. So let's get started, and this is how it will be fixed. So guys, this is M-Seal, and I will be preparing this. There are two types of substance in this. If you will mix these two types of substance, these are semi-solid substance. If you will mix these two types of substance together, it will get solidified after 3 to 4 hours. Let me make this process fast forward to save the time. And now I feel both the substance has been mixed properly, and now time to fix it. I'm just checking where to apply the M-Seal for the first time. So this metal plate will be sitting on the top of the plastic moldings. However, beneath that metal plate, plastic molding is broken. So what I will do, I will apply some M-Seal beneath that metal plate. So I am lifting it up, and I am taking a small amount of M-Seal, and I will use tweezers to place it properly. So you can observe that plastic molding holes are broken where the screws are getting fixed. So I am applying it on that part. so that those two moldings will become intact. Once this substance will become harder, so then it will have the capability to hold the screw on its position. So I'm applying a fair amount of M seal on this part, not much, not less. So it's done. It's quite tricky task, but patience is the key to do this. The problem is, like, I'm not getting this part online. Neither I have found it in any shop or any repairing shop. So that's the only way left for me to repair it and bring it back with a life. Okay, now time to place the metallic part. So I have applied fair amount of M seal on the inner part, and I feel like if I'm placing the metallic part on the top of it, so uh, the inner part will be intact. And now I need to fix the metallic part. So I will apply some more Fabriquick, not Fabriquick, the M seal on the top of metallic part, so that it will be bonded with the chassis properly. So I'm damn sure you might be thinking, like, what about the screw holes? So you might be thinking the screw holes will be closed because I have placed a lot of M seal beneath that metallic part and on the top of that metallic part. So I will show you in the further video how I am taking care of that part, the screw holes, because once the M seal will get solidified, there is no way you can insert the screws on its position. So right now I am applying the M seal to hold the metallic part. I'm taking care of one more thing, like I should not apply much M seal on the part where the wirings will be there, or the motherboard will be fixed. So it should not disturb that accuracy, where the place of motherboard or the corners of motherboard will be fixed. So I'm taking care of that part as well. However, once it will be dried up, then the real challenge we will see, you will be seeing in the further video. So let me make this part fast forward, so you can see there are a lot of things I am doing because this is the part where I need to be very precise. I need to give it a proper finish, otherwise everything will be ruined. So once this thing will get solidified, then there is no way you can take it off or you can break it down. It will just, you need to break down the complete corner to take this part out. So that's why, and you are getting fair amount of time to apply this until it is getting solidified, as like definitely after 3 hours it will be solidified. So for buffer I am taking 4 hours. So let me make this fast forward. So guys, I have fast forwarded the video 8 times its normal speed because this process took a lot of time for me, around 20 minutes. And hence I am fast forwarding it. If you want the complete video, you can just comment. I can post the complete video without fast forwarding it. And it is about to complete. And here we go. Let me show you this part closely. I'm taking my camera closer so you can look at this portion. So everything is fixed properly. You can see this is the metallic part, and beneath that there is some amount of M seal. On the top of it there is some amount of M seal which is also holding the metallic part properly. and I have shaped it very well. I hope there will not be any problem while fixing other part on the top of the chassis once this is solidified. So I'm just showing it to you. Now I will fix the screw, because right now the M seal is not in a solid state. So this is the correct time when I can fix the screw, so that the screw will make a thread. It will create a thread internally, because the M seal is not dried up, and the threadings will get created during this time, so that I will not get problem or any challenge when I am fixing it once it will get solidified. There are a few more things what I am doing here. So this is another trick. So I have created a small M seal structure with which I can understand if the M seal is solidified properly, so that I can start working on the chassis and start fixing the components on the chassis. And here is another leftover of M seal, which I made it in the spherical shape. So with both this shape, I can observe after some time if it is properly, if the solidification is proper or not. So now time to wait for 4 to 5 hours so that it will get dried up properly, and I am keeping it here. But guys, one more thing is remaining here, fixing the screw, because the holes internally has been blocked with M seal, and once it will get solidified, then there is no way you can insert a screw. So I am inserting the screw very carefully, so that the complete structure what I have created, the complete molding what I have created with the help of M seal will not get disturbed. So I am rotating it very carefully, just slowly it will get inserted. I can't able to show this in the video because my hand is on the top and camera angle is from the top. So you can see I have inserted one screw on its position. So I have threaded this screw completely into that hole, and the same thing I am going to do with another screw. So this is also done. So both the screws are fixed properly, and now we need to wait. There is some deformness which I am seeing here. That's what I am shaping it again with the help of tweezers head, and it's much better. It's not bad. So now we need to wait for some time. Sometime, I mean to say 5 to 6 hours for the safer side. And after seeing these structures, so I have created one more structure. It's in the form of star, and with these structure, if these are getting solidified, it means we can work on the motherboard. So nothing to do now, just okay guys, so I will be back once it will get solidified. Hello guys, I am back again. Before touching anything, we will check the structure if it is solidified. So I am checking the star one which I have created. It looks like it is solid, and yeah, so let's check this structure. I will do the bend test. So but still it is still bending. I can see it is bending. You can see the cracks it is getting. So it will take some more time. We will wait for some more time. It's been 3 hours now. I think I need to wait for 2 more hours. And here we go, I'm back again. So let's check the structure first. And first of all, I will do the bend test here. Oh, now it became rock solid and it's not bending. So I feel like it is good. Now I am poking the tweezers from the sharp side it is not getting poked properly. Yeah, it's very much solid. Here also the same thing, it's solidified. So guys, now time to check the real work which I have spent a lot of time to restruct this particular portion of the chassis, and this is also solidified. But first of all, I will take out the screw and I will check whether it is coming out properly. So if it is coming out properly, then it means that I can fix the hinges properly. So it came out, one of the screw came out from the newly created structure, I mean extended structure. Okay, now I am much happy this part got repaired. So guys, this is unbelievable. It worked for me because I'm using it for the first time, and I think it worked for me. I can fix the hinges over here, and it will keep hold for those hinges. Anyway, I need to repair another hinge as well. I mean the hinge broken area as well. And here I am checking the broken area on the lower chassis. So I wanted to fix this as well. I will just use a quick adhesive like Febiquick or something like that to fix that immediately. But the main thing is like which is running in the back end of my mind is like I will give half an hour more for that M seal part so that it will become more solidified. Because I'm using this for the first time, so I don't want to take any chance here. I have used M seal but not for laptop repairing, so that's why. So I will make it fast forward. I will not waste much of your time. So I will make this part fast forward. You can just watch it. It's just a simple applying adhesive to the broken part so that it will become solidified, the plastic part. Let me make it fast forward to save the time. So guys, this part is completed. So that exhaust ventilation has been repaired successfully, and I have applied tissue paper for reinforcement. I mean it's just for the time being, just to keep the that uh, thin plastic part intact. It got dried up now, and this time I'm removing the excess tissue which is blocking the vent. So it's done, and you can take a look from the outer side of the chassis. It looks okay, and there was another crack which I figured out. I have repaired it, and let me clean the table quickly. So guys, now time to fix the motherboard. So I'm not fixing it permanently, I'm just trying to fix it on its position just to see whether it is not getting hindered from the M seal material which I have applied on the chassis. So let me fix it. I need to secure the cable on its position first. So the USB cable, the SATA cable, the touchpad cable, and this is the keyboard, and this is the power cable. And here we go. So there is a little bit of problem here I'm seeing. So if I'm putting the motherboard on its position, and the M seal, the excess amount of M seal is not allowing it to settle down on the chassis. So I need to take care of that part. Let me check it once again. I need to check it properly so that I can remove that much amount of M seal. However, the M seal got solidified, but I am having some idea to get rid of that excess M seal which is hindering the motherboard to get settled on this particular chassis. Okay, I got it, and I need to remove the excess amount of M seal from this portion. There is a small pin here uh, which will get inserted when the motherboard is sitting on the top of this particular area. So I need to scratch that much amount of M seal from this portion. It's around 2 to 3 M seal. Then I feel this issue will be fixed. So let me make this part fast forward to save the time. So guys, now I have removed the excess amount of M seal which was hindering the motherboard. You can see the scratched area and the small plastic pin which I was talking about. That's the pin where the motherboard will get placed on the top of chassis. So now I will be placing the motherboard on the top of it. Let me zoom this area so that you can have a proper view. So I am placing the motherboard, and I have secured the cable, and now placing the motherboard. You can see that small hole where the pin from the chassis is getting inserted into the motherboard, and I feel it is proper now. It's perfect. Yeah, so I have fixed the motherboard on its position. I will now connect the cables. It's proper. So you can see that small plastic pin came out from the motherboard. So these are the places of motherboard screw. I will put on the screws. I'm just checking all the parts of the motherboard. Just have a quick look on the motherboard. So slip of tongue, guys. So now everything looks intact and everything looks good. I have connected the power cable and other cables as well. So guys, refurbishment of the bottom chassis is done, and now I will move on to the LCD part. So this LCD part also, where the hinges are fixed, that is also broken. I need to take a look on that as well. I will open up the LCD panel part and then check what I can do. I will apply some amount of M seal at that place as well. I have figured this out once I am done with the refurbishment of the bottom chassis. So let's take a look on this as well. So guys, here I have started tearing down the LCD panel part, and I will make this part fast forward to save the time. At this point of time, I am opening up the broken portion. So guys, I have secured the LCD panel and its cable so that I can work on the chassis properly. Let me focus on the part which I need to repair. Here I am analyzing the area, how I can apply M seal to fix this part. I'm just checking it with the hinges and the screw where it can be properly fixed. And now I will take the M seal again and mix both the substance to prepare the magic slurry or the semi-solid part. I'm just kidding. So I will be taking M seal and preparing it. That's it. Okay, so M seal preparation is done. Now I will be applying it on the broken area. Okay, so I have applied some amount of M seal on the broken portion, and you can check it. First, let me change the camera angle so that you can see it properly. Let me focus it. Okay, here you go. You can see the M seal I have applied on the LCD panel to repair it, and that the main thing is like I have put the metallic threaded portion between the M seal. Before that it was molded in the plastic. Now the plastic is broken. I have applied Fabiquick, sorry, not Fabiquick, it's M seal. So that's the main part where the screw will get hold, because it is having threadings present in that ring. And another thing is like you need to shape the M seal properly so that it will not hinder any other part while you are integrating this, while you are building it up, while you are fixing all the screws and the parts together. So that's the main thing. So once the M seal will get solidified, you again need to either file it or either scratch it, the additional area. So better to be careful now when you are applying M seal to that particular portion. So I will make this part fast forward to save the time again. So the finishing is completed and you can see it. Probably you might not have the proper view due to lack of light from different angle, but yeah, you can have a look. Okay, let me turn on the flashlight as well of my mobile phone and you can see this. So far I have given my best to do this. Let's see, and I will be back once it is dried up or solidified. Welcome back guys, it's been 5 hours now and I guess this is solidified. Now let me check it. So now I'm having a bit of confidence because I have already worked on the lower chassis. So yeah, it is solidified and it looks good. So I have again made a structure. You can see I'm checking that as well. But yeah, I feel like this is solidified. 5 hours is, I think, enough now. Now I got some idea. So let's start fixing the part together. Let's start making the complete PC. The first thing would be like LCD panel. I have also cleaned up the panel in the meanwhile, which I have not covered in the video. I have just applied the screen cleaning agent and with tissue and cotton I have cleaned it. That's why you are seeing the clean LCD. So now placing the cable, and I will fix it. Let me make this part fast forward again to save the time. Okay, so LCD part is done now. So LCD panel is properly fixed. I'm just cleaning up a bit, and I know you are noticing one black spot on my screen, the left hand side top corner of the screen. I know that that's the another issue. I need to replace the LCD as well. So this laptop is very old and it was kept in the storeroom. So I'm having something to do with this. That's why I am repairing this. So yeah, let's proceed with the bottom chassis. I mean the main part where we can fix the LCD and the hinges. Okay, and here we go. The bottom part where the main board is fixed, and I need to fix the LCD hinge on its position, which I have repaired. So actually the left hand side hinge position was not broken. A little bit of Febiquick was needed and I have repaired it. So now I am checking the orientation so that I can fix it properly. I don't want any mistake at this point of time. So while I was unassembling the laptop, I have unassembled it in this manner while it was sitting on the top of the LCD panel. So I just kept it in the same position, and now I will twist the hinges, I mean the latches, the hinge latch. So twisting this way is a bit difficult because the hinge latches are too much strong. While you are holding the LCD and opening the laptop and closing the lid down, it's easier, but if you are holding the small portion of the hinge to turn it, it is a bit difficult. And also I am very much cautious so that I will not break it out again, because the refurbishment has been done few hours back. So here I am routing the white cable. I told you in the beginning while I was detaching the LCD panel. So I am routing this cable properly. So this needs to be fixed with that integrated module, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module. And now I am folding the left side hinge on its position so that I can fix the screws. It's a bit difficult, as I told you. I need to apply too much force to fold this hinge, and at the same time I'm cautious. I told you as previously as well, I don't want to break it, so I am folding it with great caution. And everything is on its position, and now I need to fix the screw on the hinges. Then only I will take a look on another part. Oops. The camera is blocked due to my head and hairs. So here I am trying to apply a bit of pressure to align the holes of the LCD panel, I mean the hinges which is connected to the LCD panel. Now I am fixing the screw, and it's a time of joy and happiness that I have refurbished it. and the actual result will be reflected once everything is fixed and working as expected, especially the portion which I have repaired or refurbished. So both the screws are fixed on the right hand side hinge, and now time to fix the screw on the left hand side hinge. Let me make this fast forward. Okay, so this part is also fixed properly. I'm very happy now. And now all the cables are on its position. I have fixed everything with the motherboard, I mean the cables, and now time to fix the RAM. So with the laptop, as I told you, if you have watched my previous video regarding the laptops, I have told you you need to put the RAM in the same order. If you are using two RAMs, in case you are using only one RAM, then it's okay. However, if you are using two RAMs, it should be in the same order so that it will work. Otherwise, your laptop may not boot. So in the latest laptop, I think everything will work because it is having one RAM embedded with the motherboard. But in the old laptops, you need to put it in the same order. And this is the module. This is the heatsink. Everything is intact. I'm just giving a recheck because I'm going to fix the lower chassis. Before that, I am just giving a quick check on all these things. Let me make this fast forward to save the time. So everything is getting fixed. Guys, I will tell you one thing. The most boring part is like fixing the screw or opening the screw during the time of tearing down and reassembling it back. Anyway, that's the part of the step that we need to take care every time. So here we'll go with the battery. Last but not the least is the battery. So this is the old laptop, that's why the battery is outside. I mean detachable battery. Okay, hinge is working properly, man. Okay, it's nice, man. So previously I have shown you in the beginning of the video the hinges was not working properly, and it's working properly now. Now I am connecting the charger because the battery is dead. It was not this laptop was not being used from long time. So now I'm connecting the charger. Oops, charger metal contact was a bit dirty, so I have cleaned it and inserted it. Now time to check it. I'm just doing a last check. So LED is glowing, it means the laptop is charging. Now I have pressed the power on switch. Fingers crossed. Waiting for the display. And bingo, yes. Okay, it's working, man. So I am very much happy. So Windows 10 is installed on this, as you can see. So it's booting. I feel like hinge problem is fixed now. Actually, previously also there was no booting problem in this laptop because I have installed Windows 10 long back ago, and it has been booted nearly after I mean to say 3 years maybe. So it's booting now, and that's how I have repaired, or you can say refurbished, the broken chassis, especially on the hinge part where the hinges are getting fixed. So that is it in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share this video as much as you can so that it will help other person to fix their PC, and hope you have enjoyed it. So please like this video, subscribe my channel, and do press the bell icon for the latest video notification. See you in the next video. Bye bye. So yes, that is the spot on the LCD, guys, which I was talking about. I need to replace the LCD, but I think this processor is a bit old, so I don't need to replace the LCD. I will just use it for something purpose. Okay, bye bye.